Temperature dependence of resistivity. The resistivity of a material is found to be dependent on the temperature. It is given by the relation rho T is equal to rho 0 into 1 plus alpha T minus T0. Rho T is the resistivity at a temperature T. Rho 0 is the resistivity at a reference temperature T0. Alpha is called the temperature coefficient of resistivity. In terms of temperature, the above equation changes to capital RT is equal to R0 into 1 plus alpha T minus T0. That is RT is equal to R0 plus R0 alpha T minus T0. RT minus R0 is equal to R0 alpha T minus T0. Therefore, alpha is equal to RT minus R0 by R0 into T minus T0. Unit degree Celsius raised to minus 1. Dimensional formula of alpha is capital T raised to minus 1. Variation of resistivity in metals. Temperature coefficient of resistivity alpha is positive. That means as temperature increases, resistivity also increases. Example, copper, silver, etc. In semiconductors, alpha is negative. That means as temperature increases, resistivity decreases. Example, carbon, germanium, silicon. In standard resistors, the variation of resistivity will be very little with temperature. Example, manganese, constantan, nichrome. Explanation for the variation of resistivity. The resistivity of the material is given by rho is equal to 1 by sigma. Conductivity sigma is equal to n e square tau by m. Therefore, rho is equal to m by n e square tau. Here, resistivity is inversely proportional to number density and relaxation time. For metals, number density does not change with temperature. As temperature increases, speed of electrons increases, collisions become frequent, relaxation time decreases, and thereby resistivity increases. For insulators and semiconductors, the number density increases with temperature and hence resistivity decreases with temperature. Electric power is the rate at which a device changes electric current to another form of energy. ഇലക്ട്രിക് കറൻറ്റിനെ മറ്റു ഊർജ രൂപങ്ങളിലേക്ക് മാറ്റണമെങ്കിൽ ആ ഡിവൈസിന് വർക്ക് ചെയ്യേണ്ടി വരും. ആ വർക്ക് ബൈ ടൈമാണ് ഇലക്ട്രിക് പവർ. P equal to W by T. But we know W is equal to QV. Q charge, V potential difference. But Q is equal to IT. Therefore, P equal to ITV by T. Cancelling T, we get P equal to VI. But we know Ohm's law V equal to IR. Substituting in the above equation, we get P equal to I squared R. Also we know I equal to V by R. Therefore P equal to V squared by R. ഇലക്ട്രിക് പവറിൻ്റെ യൂണിറ്റ് ജൂൾ പെർ സെക്കൻഡ് അല്ലെങ്കിൽ വാട്ടാണ്. ഇലക്ട്രിക്കൽ എനർജി capital E is equal to power into time. We know the various equations for power. Therefore, electrical energy E is equal to VIT, E equal to I squared RT, E equal to V square T by R. Unit watt hour. കമേഴ്സ്യൽ യൂണിറ്റ് കിലോ വാട്ട് അവർ. ഇലക്ട്രിക് പവറിൻ്റെ വ്യാവസായിക യൂണിറ്റ് കിലോ വാട്ട് അവറാണ്. ഒരു കിലോ വാട്ട് അവർ ഇസ് ഈക്വൽ ടു 1 ഇൻറ്റു 1000 ഇൻറ്റു ജൂൾ പെർ സെക്കൻഡ് ഇൻറ്റു 60 ഇൻറ്റു 60 സെക്കൻഡ്സ് ഈക്വൽ ടു 3.6 ഇൻറ്റു 10⁻⁶ ജൂൾ. Power transmission. We know the equation for electric power P is equal to VI. Electric power from the power station is transmitted with high voltage. From the above equation, as the voltage increases, the current decreases. Hence, energy loss in the form of heat decreases very much.